So guys, as you can see, the juice are starting to come out. Look at that, guys. Look at that. And this is my version of garlicky, skinless chicken longanisa. So good for our breakfast. If it is not heaven, I don't know what to say. By Team Clements. Guys, on today's video, we're gonna make chicken longanisa, skinless chicken longanisa, and our ingredients is the ground chicken. Maybe this is about almost 3/4 kilo, and then a pound of ground pork, yung may taba, and then 1 cup of brown sugar. Then we're gonna put paprika, annatto powder for coloring, garlic powder, garlic salt, and black pepper. We need some fats so that when we cook it, it's kind of juicy. I didn't put all of it because I'm gonna use some of it. Let's just mix it. Let's put the brown sugar, paprika. This is maybe about 2 tablespoons. Garlic, lots of garlic, as much as you can, lots of garlic to make it garlicky. And then our salt, and salt is about, this is a garlic salt, 2 tablespoons of garlic salt. Then pepper, a lot too. Now let's mix it up. Just continue mixing it. When you know that your ingredients are fully mixed together, halo lang ng halo. Actually guys, mas maraming garlic, mas masarap siya. this is it. So we're gonna put this in the fridge. We're gonna put this in the fridge. Guys, I use this one para pantay-pantay, equal. So the size will be equal, the amount. So guys, ganyan. So, that's it. Guys, this is our chicken longanisa, and I think I was able to make 18 pieces, and it's so garlicky, and we're gonna put this in the freezer so that guys, we're gonna cook our chicken longanisa. First, we have to boil it, cook it in water. Let's cook this first in water until the juice come out. Guys, the juice from the chicken longanisa, it's so good. It's so good. It's so good, guys. Yummy. Oh, wow. So guys, as you can see, the juice are starting to come out. Look at that, guys. Look at that. We're gonna have our breakfast mukbang. Ang sarap! Guys, yung juice nung ano, ang sarap. Sobrang sarap. And guys, let us put a little bit of oil. Just a little bit. And guys, this is my version of chicken, skinless, garlicky chicken longanisa, and it's so good. You can do it for your business, guys, and you can try it for your family. Good for breakfast, lunch, and dinner. Guys, thank you so much for watching. Make sure you share this to your friends and family. And also make sure that you hit like and subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to make a comment so that I can improve my our channel if I need to. Thank you so much, guys, and bye bye. See you later.